In the shadow of summer, the 17-year cicadas rise not as weather but as a precisely timed biological orchestra. They spend most of their lives underground as nymphs, then emerge in synchronized swarms to molt, mate, and die within weeks. Biologists call this predator satiation, a tactic that overwhelms predators so enough survive to reproduce. Timing depends on regional broods and environmental cues like soil temperature and moonlight, a natural calendar etched in heredity. Their annual chorus teaches resilience, showing how evolution crafts life cycles that turn forests into living symphonies.